Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest products in the market. Today, we have something special for those looking for the best antibiotic for bronchitis. Introducing Dr. Christopher's Unisex Lung and Bronchial Formula Vegetarian Capsules. In this 10-minute video, we're going to delve deep into what makes this herbal supplement so special.
We'll explore its ingredients, benefits, customer reviews, and more, so stay tuned.
Before we dive into the details, let's get to know this product a little better. Dr. Christopher's Unisex Lung and Bronchial Formula Vegetarian Capsules are designed to provide support for your respiratory health.
It comes in a convenient capsule form, making it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. What sets this product apart is that it's a herbal supplement, formulated with natural ingredients. Plus, it's suitable for both men and women.
Now, let's talk about the key features and benefits of Dr. Christopher's Unisex Lung and Bronchial Formula Vegetarian Capsules.
First and foremost, this product is a herbal supplement. It contains a proprietary blend of organic and wild-crafted herbs like juniper berry, parsley root, marshmallow root, and more, specifically chosen for their potential benefits for lung and bronchial health.
It's vegetarian and doesn't contain common allergens like wheat, gluten, soy, milk, egg, fish, shellfish, or tree nut ingredients, except for products containing black walnut hull. So, it's suitable for various dietary preferences. Dr. Christopher's Unisex Lung and Bronchial Formula Vegetarian Capsules are proudly made in the United States, ensuring quality and safety. One of the most impressive aspects of this product is the positive customer reviews. Many users have reported improved breathing, relief from bronchial congestion, and even a reduction in asthma symptoms. For optimum results, it's recommended to take these capsules 1 hour before or after meals to avoid competing with digestion. In conclusion, if you're searching for the best antibiotic for bronchitis, Dr. Christopher's Unisex Lung and Bronchial Formula Vegetarian Capsules are a natural and effective option.
With its herbal ingredients, positive customer reviews, and affordable pricing,
it's a compelling choice for anyone looking to support their respiratory health. Click the link in the description below to purchase Dr. Christopher's Unisex Lung and Bronchial Formula Vegetarian Capsules and experience the benefits for yourself.
That's it for today's product critique.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more product reviews, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.